Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable CrowdStrike Falcon device isolation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable the CrowdStrike Falcon device isolation feature, first, ensure you have administrative permissions on the device. Open the CrowdStrike Falcon console by navigating to the URL in your web browser. Log in with your administrative credentials. Once logged in, locate the Hosts tab in the left-hand menu. Click on the Hosts tab to reveal the list of devices registered to your organization. Find the device you wish to adjust in the list. You can use the search bar to quickly locate the specific device by name or ID. Once you've found the device, click on its name to access the device details. In the Device Details view, look for the Device Isolations section. If the device is currently isolated, you will see an option to unisolate the device. Click on the Unisolate button to disable the isolation. You may need to confirm this action in a pop-up dialog that appears. After confirming, wait for the status of the device to update. Once the device is no longer isolated, you will see the new status reflected in the console. Remember that this change may take a few moments to propagate. Check back to ensure that the device is functioning normally again. If you experience any issues, recheck your permissions and the isolation settings once more. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.